Welcome to Quick Math Tricks. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to subtract big numbers in your head, and that is without borrowing. You have a number like 8,426 minus 3,758. How do we subtract these two big numbers? The conventional way of doing this is to say 8,426 minus 3,758. Start the subtraction from the right to the left. Then you begin by saying 6 minus 8. You cannot remove 8 from 6. So you borrow from 2 to the 6, making it 16. So when you say 16 minus 8, that gives you 8. Now you move to the second row, moving towards the left. So you have 1 left there because you borrowed 1 earlier. Since 1 is less than 5, you cannot say 1 minus 5. So what do? You borrow 1 again from 4 to the 1 that was left there, making it 11. So 11 minus 5, that will give you 6. Now you move to the next. You are left with 3 there because you just borrowed 1 from that tray. So you cannot say 3 minus 7. It's impossible. So you borrow 1 from 8 again, making it 13. 13 minus 7, that gives you 6. And then you are left with 7 because you removed 1 from that 8. And then you say 7 minus 3, that gives you what? 4. So this is the conventional way of subtracting these two big numbers, which is actually correct. But you realize that it's a long process when it comes to mental math. Now the faster trick, 8,426 minus 3,758. When subtracting your head, it is often easier to think in reverse. That is, instead of subtracting, we try to see how to add to the smaller one to become the bigger one. So you'll be thinking, what must I add to the smaller number to reach the bigger one? The smaller number is 3,758, and then the bigger number is 8,426. So you think of adding gradually to the smaller number to become the bigger number. For 3,758 to reach the next 100, you will need to add 42 to get that 3,800. Now, for 3,800 to reach the next thousands, that is to 4,000, you will need to add 200. So plus 200 gets us to 4,000. To get to 8,000, which is closer to 8,428, you will need to add 4,000 to the 4,000 we have earlier. We have gotten to 8,000 already. So finally, to get 8,426, you just need to add 426, and it will get you to 8,426. So what do you do next? Just add all the jumps. That is 42 plus the 200 we added, plus the 4,000 we added, plus the 426, and that will give you 4,668, which is the same with what we got earlier. But this one is a faster trick when it comes to mental math. Same answer, but much faster in your head. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.